showing you today I'm going to be showing you what to do with the fight SFF effects and text and stuff. I went and created some fonts. These aren't really fonts, but they're images instead for the Screenpack. I did make a video of it. There's no sound once again, and it's not necessary to see, but this is what I created. Now they haven't been indexed. Hopefully I won't have a problem trying to index this, like the colors won't go bad or anything. Sometimes just zoom in really close and then index it and see if you have any problems. It shows the preview. You can see some gradients that don't look good. This is when you might want to use dither. Sometimes it'll look good on images that will be kind of like shrunken by Mugen. Like if you have a high def Screenpack, which this is, you don't want to put it to 100, needs to be like 75 or less. But dither can mess up areas that don't have like a bad gradient. Pattern generally isn't good. Noise kind of works. Diffusion, it usually is the best. Let's hit OK and back out. You can kind of see some problems at the bottom of the three. Let's see if what would happen if I didn't hit the dither. Just go to none. Well, what do you think looks better, this or this? I think this looks a little bit better to get rid of a few problems. You might want to lower a little bit. Let's try 50%. That's probably about the best we'll get. So I already saved these as PCX files. I'm just indexing them now. Photoshop has one time was acting really funny that after I indexed the files, I couldn't I had to rename them and save them as something else. I haven't had that problem in a while. Hopefully Git will be functioning correctly. I haven't checked it. I won't need to be using Git for this session actually, since these images are not going to be paletted. What's going to happen to these images? The transparency is going to be set, so it'll be either on A1 or something close to it. It'll be like what would happen if you had it on screen in Photoshop and other programs that use the term screen. Now there's the thing about the fight file and the fight def or definition file is this. The system file and the fight file, those definition files have separate SSF files that are connected to them. So with my old Screenpack, the fight definition file is connected to the rush fight SFF file, and the system definition file is connected to the rush system SFF file. You will be making these SFF files the DAF files you'll be modifying. Now don't pay attention to this stuff. Just close this and open. I'm using Fighter Factory Ultimate because I find it a little bit easier to use. What we'll be doing is going to the sprite section and adding the sprites we just made. And since one thing I should probably tell you is that it's good to name each set of images. I mean, it's good to group each set of images differently. Like the life bar and stuff goes in the same file as these images, but the thing about it is you want to give it like a separate group number. It's necessary in coding and also keep you from being confused. So I'm going to open these files and I'm going to give it a group number of number 5. Okay, you notice that the images are all you'll have black backgrounds. You will not be changing the, I know this wasn't piloted correctly. That doesn't matter. It won't be an issue. What I do need to do is make sure that all these images are at the exact same axis. I think this is a good place to put the little crosshair. Now the background is black. You don't fix that in Fighter Factory because you won't be making a what is it, an error file, which would be your animations. You won't be doing that for Screenpacks. What you'll do is you'll be you'll do this in the fight definition file. You'll change it to transparent. Okay. Now you need to save this. I'm going to save this as fight file. Save. Okay. Now that you're done that, you will be eventually adding more sprites to this file because you've got to add the life bar back.